jeez, wow.
Tell us what's going on with you, Nader.
So yeah, like as you said, doctor, the migraines. I used to get them. You know, several times a week years ago. When I would get it, it would last multi-day. You'd wake up with it in the morning. I was doing software development, so while I'm working, and the more I concentrate, the worse it would progressively get. It would start off light or lightish. It would get worse throughout the day. Keep working through it until it gets much worse. Then I'm in bed for 2 days. 2-3 days. I'm waking up with it again. And the only way I could really get rid of it is to kind of be in bed until it runs its course.
Wow.
Yeah. Car accident. Ever since that car accident, I've noticed that I never got a physical therapy back to where I was initially. Tried all kind of medications. I've tried massage, physical therapy, acupuncture. All other chiropractors, and nothing has helped. I have sleep apnea, but I usually lay out pretty quickly. I think I sleep okay.
Anxiety, tons of anxiety, sleep apnea.
Yeah.
So that means you don't sleep, guys. What about the garlic and onions?
Yeah. So garlic and onions. So those are two triggers for the migraines that I've found over time. That will instantly, like the next day, I will have migraines. I'll have a light one, and then I'll have a much worse one the next day. Yeah.
Wow, interesting. I never heard that before. X-rays. X-rays, terrible posture, inverted atlas, really bad. His neck is way far forward. Tons of arthritis. Breathing through your nose. Is he it all still? One more time. One more time. And so, definitely things that are problems on there. Check those out. Lots of arrows. Lots of evidence of headaches here. 22 millimeter right imbalance and 27 millimeter right lower shoulder. Here we have 8 millimeter short right leg and a 12 millimeter left rotated pelvis. Here we have an inverted atlas with 1/2 wear, 121 millimeters of forward head carriage, and a huge bone growth at the back of the head. Here we have significant L5, S1 arthritis. Hi, this is Nader's. This is going to be the beginning of his first week. This is his first atlas adjustment. I thought I'd capture his expression, how he gets adjusted to his atlas the first time. He's doing better. He says he had hardly any pain this weekend, but we're working on his posture, so it's a work in progress. Okay, good. This is going to be different again. We did this on Robert this morning. Wow. Whew. You guys didn't hear it really loud on that one, but that moved a lot.
I heard it.
Yeah.
Really heard it.
Yeah,
for sure.
And so, what was that? How was that different than the other adjustments?
I felt it. I feel it even down to here.
Yeah.
I feel more range down here.
Okay.
Oh, jeez, wow.
Damn beard, slipped off the beard. Usually I don't slip off the beard. Usually it's a good traction point, but we got the adjustment still.
Yep.
Still went through the joint. How is that different than the other adjustments? Do you have any idea? Or do you have any feeling?
In this sense, I felt a lot more cracks than I usually. Usually there's cracks and it's great,
Yes,
and it's
exactly.
fantastic, but there were a lot of different places I felt it cracked this time.
Yeah. Okay. So that's his first atlas adjustment. Hope you guys enjoy it. Hi, Dr. Thayer here with Nader. He's been doing pretty awesome. Him and Riggs have been tearing it up in here. My lethal weapon duo. This is the end of his 2 weeks. He lives locally, but he did a 2-week plan to jumpstart his care here. I think it's paid off. Made some good friends here. Learned a lot in a short period of time. So I'm gonna turn it over to Nader. Tell us tell us the results of 2 weeks. What do you feel right now?
Honestly, it's amazing how much progress in 2 weeks. So my kind of experience and journey through this has been that I came in for migraines. I was having migraines for the past 5 years. I've tried so many different things. Nothing has helped me. So physical therapy, multiple chiropractors, acupuncture, medication. Honestly, I'm not joking when I say this. No joke. The first treatment, I haven't been able to turn my neck to the left in 5 years since my car accident. For the first treatment, I was able to turn a lot further, about 90% of where I want to be. By the third or fourth adjustment, I can do it all the way without pain. and it's just been getting better and better since I've been here. So
what about the
sleeping
migraines?
a lot better. No migraines. I haven't had any migraines.
Okay,
I've
it's
had
been
a
2
couple
weeks.
light headaches, but
You've been 2 weeks here, and how often did you get migraines before?
a couple times a week.
Okay, and so is it unusual to have no migraines in 2 weeks?
I haven't had that. I can't remember. It's been a long time since that's happened.
And you say you've had a couple light little headaches?
A couple light little headaches during the first week. During the second week, I haven't had any.
Gotcha, perfect. So the thing you came in for, doing pretty good, right?
Fantastic.
Gotcha. Let's see. Neck pain, got the neck pain, low back pain. How much low back pain? Any
Low
difference?
back pain? No.
Yeah, a little bit you said.
A little bit before. Yeah.
Okay, now the big thing that you had a big problem with was your sleep. Tell us about your sleep.
Sleep has been really good, much better. I feel a lot more energy.
Gotcha. Tell us how your sleep's better so people understand how sleep's better.
So I feel
Not
like
that you're sleeping with your wife now, just that you're sleeping.
just sleeping. So no interruptions during sleep throughout the night. I don't feel like I'm waking up. Yeah. Sleeping throughout the night, I don't feel like I'm waking up at all. Like before, I think I was waking up a couple times throughout the night. I don't feel that happening at all.
Yeah.
And I wake
Sleep
more energy
apnea.
too.
What about sleep apnea?
Yeah. I feel, again, more energy. I feel more energy when I wake up.
And the sleep apnea, do you use CPAP? You don't use CPAP yet, right?
I have one, and I haven't been using it for a
Haven't used
while.
it?
Yeah.
But you haven't been using it before you came in and saw me, right?
That's right.
But your energy level and you're feeling better and you're sleeping better.
Much
Good,
better,
perfect.
much better.
Anything else you want to share? Like, tell us maybe a little bit of the journey. Like, what have you learned here in the last couple of weeks?
Last couple weeks I've learned, I mean, it's posture is super important of the kind of work that we've been doing together. You've been showing me posture, how to walk better, how to sit better, sleeping, how to sleep in certain positions. That all is, I think, tremendous.
Tell them again, just lastly, just tell them how much work do you do here? Is it passive work where you just show up and do nothing? And
No.
Dr. Dare, set me up! Just set me up! Or is there some kind of involvement by you?
Yeah, no, it's not just you come in for an adjustment that feels great and you leave. There's homework assigned, but it's fantastic and it's for the betterment of us. So,
do I yell at you all the time?
Sometimes.
Not you as much as Riggs, but I do yell at patients. But there is caring. I care about these guys. I want them to get better, and there's just a concerted effort to get you better here.
Yeah, for
and
sure.
You feel that, right?
I feel that. And can I just say something? I think most of the patients that I've talked to here didn't go through this that I did, but I was, and I told you this a couple times, I was skeptical for whatever reason. I was skeptical up until I got to the freaking door. Like I felt I tried everything else, right? And I was like, what else do I have to lose? Let me try this, right? And I was like, there's a 50-50 chance, But when I got here, I swear to God, man, it's like you really changed my life. And I'm telling everybody at work, and I'm telling everybody I know, and I'm like, my wife has to come see you. She, doesn't sleep great. And I really appreciate everything you've done for us all, man. You're seriously, like, honestly.
Yeah, so again, this is what it's all about. Again, I love doing what I do, and I've been doing this a long time, and when I can help people like this, it's all the better. So I get paid, and I get to do what I want to do. But again, it's about helping people, so I love that. Thank you very much for that.
Thank you, sir.
Good. So let's get you adjusted on your back, please, sir. Okay. His partner's waiting outside the door right now. I got your back, Murtaugh! He has been very, very difficult to adjust. He still is. We've adjusted his atlas during the week. We've adjusted his lower neck during the week. Today we're going to do his middle neck again. Oh, yeah.
Oh, felt great.
Yeah. So you guys heard that? Very little, but again, big in his mind.
Yes.
It went a lot, okay? That's a me with a bigger pizza pie. That's me really laying into him. Okay, so I don't know why I said that. A bigger pizza pie.
Dr. Thayer, one more thing I wanted to add too. After this.
Okay. Yeah, stay right there. I'm gonna do his clavicles here too.
Okay.
Put your arms down. And this we've been doing him at the very beginning of this week. He's had marked changes from this. And so the reason why I've been working on this is because his shoulders are so stinking tight. Good. To this side.
Okay.
Come on, William. You can go. Good. 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 All right.
Yep.
You have a question for me?
I just wanted to also add one more thing too, in terms of what I've seen, was the balancing on the balancing board. The first time I tried that, I couldn't stand on it for anything.
That's right.
After the stretches you had me doing and the way I've been working on that, I can.
There's only 2 weeks.
Today. Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm able to. I
better.
feel more balanced.
But let's talk about the real thing. I forgot to say this. He said this to me this morning. You told me that getting out of bed has been tough for how long?
Yeah, my flexibility, mobility was always very low for a long time. My kids even say like, putting on my socks like an old man. And this morning, I didn't have to get up for anything in particular. I just kind of sprung out of bed, and I didn't realize it until I was like out. I just woke up with so much energy, jumped out of bed, and I realized, wow, that was like super fast. I wasn't like gradually getting up, I just sprung up.
Yeah, so awesome.
Yep.
Hey Riggs, get in here and say hi to your partner. So these guys, the two, he has a video too. You guys will cameo each other videos, but these guys have been great friends for 2 weeks. They've been doing really good. And the best part about this, and I love to do this, is I introduce the patients who are on the same plan because they go on the same pace and they teach each other. They walk around the block together. They reinforce the things we teach here, and it's been a great partnership. These guys have been funnier than shit, and they've had a good time doing it, hopefully.
We did.
Yep, for sure.
Good.
Yeah, we're better.
Better.
Yep.
More better.
More
So thank you for the video. I appreciate that. I'm glad you're doing better.
Thank you.
See you guys next time.